Hey everyone! Have you ever wanted to grow your own fresh ginger right at home? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you the best way to grow ginger root in a pot. Trust me, it's easier than you think, and you'll have a steady supply of this delicious aromatic root all year round. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, the ginger root. When picking your ginger, look for a piece that's plump, firm, and has some visible eyes or buds. These little bumps are where new shoots will sprout. Fun fact, did you know ginger has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties? It's not just tasty, it's healthy too. Now, let's get this ginger root ready for planting. You'll want to break it into smaller pieces, making sure each piece has at least one eye. Let these pieces dry out for a day or two to help prevent rotting. This step is crucial for healthy growth. Next up, let's prepare our pot. Ginger loves well-draining soil, so a good mix of potting soil and compost works perfectly. Make sure your pot has drainage holes to avoid waterlogging. Ginger roots hate sitting in water and can easily rot if they're too wet. Now it's time to plant. Place your ginger pieces a few inches apart, with the eyes facing up. Cover them with about an inch of soil and give them a good watering. Ginger thrives in warm, humid conditions, so keep your pot in a sunny spot, but out of direct, harsh sunlight. A nice, bright, indirect light is perfect. Water your ginger regularly, but remember to keep the soil moist, not soggy. Ginger is a tropical plant, so it loves humidity. If you're in a dry climate, misting your plant can help create a more humid environment. Over the next few weeks, you'll start to see shoots emerging. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged and watch your ginger grow. This is the exciting part. Seeing those green shoots pop up is so rewarding. In about 8 to 10 months, your ginger will be ready to harvest. When the leaves start to yellow and die back, that's your signal. Carefully dig up the root, and there you have it, your very own homegrown ginger. Growing ginger in a pot is that simple. Not only is it rewarding, but you'll also have fresh ginger for your teas, stir-fries, and home remedies. Plus, it makes a great indoor plant with its lush green leaves. Imagine adding fresh, homegrown ginger to your dishes. The flavor is so much more intense and aromatic than store-bought ginger. You're gonna make ginger tea to boost your immune system. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your ginger growing experiences in the comments below. See you next time.